Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can solve Skrill payment gateway error in Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. If you're encountering a Skrill payment gateway error in Shopify, it may be due to various reasons, such as incorrect integration settings, API issues, account limitation, or incompatibility between Skrill and Shopify. So let's jump right to the steps. First of all, verify Skrill payment gateway integration. First, ensure that Skrill is properly integrated into your Shopify store. Incorrect API credentials or configurations can lead to payment processing errors. Step to verify Skrill integration. First of all, log into your Skrill accounts and go to Settings section. Check the API credentials. Ensure that you have entered the correct values in Shopify. In Shopify Admin, go to Settings and then go to Payments. Under Alternative Payment Methods, ensure that Skrill is enabled. Re-enter the API credentials and other required fields to ensure they are correct. Incorrect API keys or secret words are a common cause of payment errors. After that, check your Skrill account status. Sometimes, the payment error could be related to your Skrill account status. Ensure that your Skrill account is active, verified, and free of any restrictions or limitations. In order to verify your Skrill account status, log into your Skrill account, check for any notifications or alerts about account verification, pending documents, or account limitation. Ensure that your account is fully verified and confirm that your account has sufficient balance to process transactions and is in good standing. There is other fixes like ensuring or checking your currency settings and also check for transaction limits. Skrill may have transaction limits based on your account type, region, or verification status. If your payments exceed these limits, you may encounter an error. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.